ngijabule kakhulu. I think it was not an easy game, to tell the truth. I think we were playing so well first half, but we were not creating chances. Like ntanga mesingathusi mesingabonakala ngathi sizoscore cause cheaper like meyivalile yangithola. It was compressing. But I think second half ntanga the introduction yabo Makaula, Ngwanasisa Police, mind you, a Police and Ngwanasisa scored. Yangithola changed the tempo of the game because first half mesidlala kahle, mesinga create some chance, but second half I think we were too dangerous. I think ngijabulile futhi ngijabulile.
Introduction yaka Kathleen Makaula, no, is one of your favorite players as well. Yangithola into enjani. What you thoughts on his cameo? And were you happy to see him?
Yo ntanga mengijabule kakhulu mengijabule makasayo mapha la esithina sakamahlalela sibadala sibancane ntanga I was happy to see him because angithi we are league contenders, we want to win the league. It's happy to see our players babuya back. Yes, I don't think uyenza izinto ezibhaya today. It's been a while since aqina ukudlala, but I'm happy to see him. There was nothing much which was supposed to be done from his side, but I think it was just an average game for him.
Yeah. And then your man of the match today?
Mina ntanga yazi mengithe uHotho ne, because I think Hotho played so well. When we need the line ntanga yo. First half I think intanga lo yamuntu lo yawo cause amabhola abo ma5 every time because sina ntanga mesingazi threat first half, but we always had uHotho. Second half ntanga urile uphahlaza iwindow between urile noHotho. Yes, they can overlook urile, but I think urile